Welcome back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to call methods with different classes. Alright, so in the previous lecture I was able to teach you how to call methods, and that it was just one class, and now we go ahead and create different classes. So first of all, we have this main class right here already. Okay, so we have the main class, and I'll go ahead and create Emenwa class entirely so we can be able to run this. Okay, so let this main class be for this, then go outside here and create another class. Then go ahead and call that. Let's call that to be class Maxi Finder. So class Maxi Finder is what the name is. Now you go ahead and create a public. Let's call public int maximum, and then you pass in two integer variables of num1 and num2. Okay, alright, so it's going to be integer variables because this is what we are looking at. So this is the name of this. That is name of the method. Alright, so let's go ahead and continue. So let's go ahead and say int results, because we're returning the results of the two numbers, one of them. So int results, and go ahead and return that. Return result and put a semicolon. Alright, so now we go ahead and use an if statement to check if num1 is 1 is greater. So if num1 is greater than num2, then results is going to be equal to num1 plus semicolon. Else, then result is going to be equal to num2 and plus semicolon at the end. Alright, so that is the method maximum. That is maximum. Now let's go into the main function and create two integer variables of x, and let x be equal to 30 and put a semicolon, and integer variable of y, and let y be equal to 50 and put a semicolon. Alright, so now we go ahead and call the function, and the function name we're going to call is Maxi Finder. So let's say Maxi Finder m is equal to new Maxi Finder. Alright, now we go ahead and call the method maximum. So let's say we need to initialize another variable. Let's go ahead and initialize another variable of int output for a semicolon. Alright, so let's say we go ahead and look for the output. So output is equal to m, that is the max finder which we've initialized up there. So m dot maximum. So m dot maximum, go ahead and pass in the value of x and y, because it's integer variables, and put a semicolon at the end. Then using console dot readline, then go ahead and say the maximum value is, the maximum value is, pass in the value of 0, and put a comma, and dot, is set output. Alright, so go ahead and put a semicolon at the end, and then go ahead and say console dot read key. Let's go ahead and see what we are doing. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So if everything been equal, y is going to be the maximum, that is 50. So the maximum value is 50, can you see that? Now let's go ahead and change this to 315 and run this code. So the maximum should be x, 315. So the maximum value is 315. Now, I hope you can see that, and in this way you can be able to create multiple classes, and you can create multiple methods as well. And anyone you call, you go ahead and gives you the outputs as well. So, I've smoothed down into the course, you see going to see more of that, and I will help you to become better developer. So I believe you've learned how to create more classes and more methods in your program in C#. Go ahead and put this down on your own system, play around with it, and check out more on that. If you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.